Hello, hello. Happy Saturday, Royal family. How is everyone doing? Okay, you guys, I look better. Those last two videos, I look pretty tired on that. And I was like, okay, you know better than posting videos like this. So again, you guys, please forgive me. I know better. When you know better, you do better. All right. I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. They're getting ready for the 4th of July. If you're off, I want to thank everyone for watching my videos, subscribing, commenting, and giving me feedback. Thank you guys so much. And of course, we're approaching the 4th, right? So I thought, okay, let me leave a few tips for grilling and smoking. I know most women, I'm gonna say 75 to 85%, can't really grill or smoke meat. Most of the time it's the man, the macho. Yeah, I know what to do on my grill. And the women, we handle the sides and stuff. But Ms.O, I can grill, I can smoke, and I can handle the size. Why you think they call me Kingdom Barbecue, cooking with Ms.O? Oh yeah, I can do them both. All right, but today, my question is, to grill or to smoke? What should I do? First off, we're going to get this out the way. I know a lot of women, some men, have problems with the temperature of their meats. Okay, let's clear the air with that. Poultry, fowl, is supposed to be cooked at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? And to check that, you would gauge in the thickest part of the meat, usually like the breast part or the thickest part of a steak or the thickest part of a brisket. You need to gauge those temperatures. 145 degrees internal temp, that is for beef, pork, veal, lamb, steaks, and roast. 145 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry and fowl. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. So I'm going to give you just a few tips. I'm not going to hold you long, but I kind of, went through some of my notes. So what is the difference between grilling and smoking? Two things: heat levels and cooking time. When you're grilling, it is typically done over higher heat for relatively a short matter of time. And this is for small cuts of meat, like steak, like fish, like chicken, those types of meat. But when you're smoking, it's usually a very low heat for longer periods of time. Of course, like a brisket, anywhere from 11 to 14 hours. Those are your thicker and larger cuts of meat that you really want to smoke. You cannot smoke you cannot do a brisket on a grill. I mean, if you can, please let me know. Let me know how it turned out. If it's tender, if it's juicy, did you do it right? Is it smoked to perfections, okay? Something else that I have to warn you guys. Most people don't talk about it, true. But with me, I gotta give you the truth. Anytime you're grilling or smoking and your meat has reached its temperature, you have within 2 hours to eat that meat. Bacteria really, really grows when it's hot. Now, the FDA says if where you're grilling or where you're living, if it's over 90 degrees, you really only have an hour I would say trust that. But the maximum, you guys, that you can have when you're doing your outdoor picnic, you must eat the poultry, the beef, within 2 hours, or it will really, really make you sick. I know some people have done it. Nothing has happened. But who want to do a $200 barbecue for 4th of July and have a $4,000 hospital bill? Doesn't make much sense, right? And why would you chance it? Why would you really chance that you could get sick, your guests could get sick, and that would really ruin your 4th of July. But anyway, that is what I wanted to talk about. And also, ladies, remember this. Your coals need to be a white ash, okay? When you're grilling, make sure your coals are a white ash and they're ready to put your meat on. And of course, once you do your charcoal and you light them and they turn a white ash, make sure, just in case, you wipe your grill off again, because sometimes the coals that taste from the lighter fluid, whether you add it or it's already in the briquettes, wipe your grill off so that way your meat will have a nice flavor. Now, smoking, for brisket, that's going to take some time. Temperature average, you want to keep it at 225 degrees. That will be low and slow. Again, your beef, I would say, let's get it to 145. Get your brisket to 145. Then once it has smoked, go ahead and wrap it in I don't forgot. It's kind of like a paper sack. You want to wrap it in that to keep the juices and stuff. And then you can put it back on for an additional hour, which it'll come out moist, juicy. Please let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before you slice it. And always remember, you slice against the grain, not with the grain. So wherever you see the grain, you're going to slice opposite of that, because you're going to slice against the grain. If you slice with the grain, you'll know the difference. I don't care what you do, how tender it is. There's something about it that will make it chewy. But once you slice against the grain, it will just come out fork tender. All right? I want you guys to have a happy 4th. Take these grilling and smoking tips and use them. And do something awesome for the 4th. Surprise your husband. Surprise your boyfriend. I'm going to grill today. I'm going to smoke today. Now, if you want to smoke a brisket for the 4th of July, let's put it on Sunday night. Don't wait till Monday. You'll be waiting all day. 4th of July will be over. Start your brisket Sunday evening if you want to do a brisket for the 4th of July. God bless you all. Have a safe vacation. And I will see you guys soon. God bless you. Bye.